A woman in Michigan pulled into a downtown Detroit parking garage after work, parked on the second level, and went home for the night. The next morning, she came back to find her bumper cracked, her taillight shattered, and a note stuck under the windshield wiper. The note had a license plate number written on it and nothing else. No name, no phone number, not even sorry. She called her insurance company and filed a police report. But when she asked if the plate could be tracked to the driver, the officer explained that the information couldn't be released to the public. Her insurance adjuster said the same thing. Without knowing who owned the car, they couldn't recover her deductible or go after other driver's damages. That's when she contacted me. My name is Lance. I've been a private investigator for over 25 years and a former police officer. I've been helping people legally identify vehicle owners for court cases, judgments, and hit and runs. Every lookup I perform follows the Driver's Privacy Protection Act, or the DPPA, which allows licensed investigators to access vehicle information for lawful purposes such as investigations, insurance claims, or pending lawsuits. She told me her goal was simple: to take the registered owner who hit her car to small claims court and make them pay for the repairs. That qualified under the permissible purpose covered under the Driver's Privacy Protection Act. She provided the license plate number and a copy of the police reports, which I documented to confirm the lawful use before beginning the search. Now, I instructed her to contact the parking garage to see if they had camera footage of the car that hit her and fled, and they did. And with that information, I was able to run a Michigan license plate lookup through a secure investigative database. Now, these professional grade systems used by licensed investigators are not public websites or free lookup sites. Every search is logged and verified for compliance with federal privacy laws. Within minutes, the results came back. The report included the registered owner's full name, current address, and vehicle details like make, model, and year. In the police report, I verified the address through multiple databases to make sure it was accurate and up to date. Once confirmed, she filed her small claims case using the information. A few weeks later, the defendant was served with her lawsuit. When they appeared in court, the judge ruled in her favor, ordering the registered owner to pay for the full cost of repairs plus filing fees. Without the lawful license plate lookup, she would have had no way to identify the person responsible. The police couldn't give her the information, and her insurance company wouldn't move forward without it. One legal lookup could solve what could have dragged on for months. Most people don't realize license plate lookups are legal when done properly. The Driver's Privacy Protection Act protects personal information, but also outlines specific exemptions for licensed investigators working on valid cases. These include hit and runs, court judgments, insurance claim, and fraud investigations. Over my 25 years as a private investigator, I've handled hundreds of similar cases. In nearly every one, the client starts with nothing but a plate number, and within a few hours, that one piece of information leads to the truth. The key is doing it legally. I don't use public websites or random databases. I use secure, regulated systems that require proof of permissible purpose. Everything is documented, confidential, and fully compliant with federal law. If you've been a victim of a hit and run in Michigan or anywhere else, and you have a plate number, I can help. Whether you plan to take the driver to court or file an insurance claim, or lawfully lookup gives you the information you need to move forward. You provide the plate number or VIN, confirming your lawful reason, and I handle the search through official investigative databases. You'll receive the registered owner's name, current address, and vehicle details to include make, model, and year. It's fast, legal, and completely confidential. If you've been a hit and run and you need to locate the registered owner to file a claim or take legal action, click the link in the description to start your Michigan license plate lookup today.